Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. Today we are going to solve Leetcode problem 2839. Check if strings can be made equal with operations. So another string related question on Leetcode. So we are going to look into this problem. I created some examples for you as well so that you can easily understand this problem. We'll also write our Java solution to solve this coding problem. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel now. It really helps and support this channel. We create videos to help others in their interview and Java interview preparation process on this channel. You will find more than 500 different varieties of solved coding problems that includes all important coding questions varieties from coding interview perspective. Those questions are asked by big tech companies, so don't forget to check out the playlist after you are done with this video. So let's take a look at the description of this problem first. You are given two strings s1 and s2, both of length 4 consisting of lowercase English letters. So both strings will have a 4 as a length, right? You can apply the following operations on any of the two strings any number of times. Choose any two indices I and j such that j minus I should be equal to 2 and then swap the two characters at those two indices in the string. Return true if you can make the string s1 and s2 equal, false otherwise, right? So this is what the problem statement says. So your string will always have 4 characters, right? So it means that how many indexes you have there? 4 indexes, 0, 1, 2, 3. So what they are saying is you can either swap 0 and 2 or you can swap 1 and 3, right? So the meaning of this one is that basically, right? So you can take I and j such that j minus I is equal to 2. So it means that you can take 0 and 2 or 1 and 3 index, right? So constant says that the length of s1 s2 is 4 always, and only English lowercase letters it will have, right? So let's consider some examples so you'll understand this even better what it means, right? So let's say the first example, this one, right? ABCD is your string, correct? So you can see that 4 characters are there. So what they are saying is you always have two choices here for swapping, right? What are the two choices? You can swap these two characters, or and you can also swap these two characters basically, right? It's not or, you can also swap these two characters, correct? So let's say if I do the first swapping a and c, so what will I have? I will have c here, right? Then I will have b here, I'll have a here, and I will have d here, right? So I did one swapping. Now another swapping if I do, right? If I do this another swapping of b and d, then what I will have? Then I will have a string like c, d, a and b, correct? So this string is equal to my s2, correct? CDAB. So it means that I can make these two strings equal basically, right? So I will output true. You are with me? So these are the two possible swappings that I shown you. So because only two possible, right? Because the length of the string will always be 4, right? Only 4 length will be there always, right? So in the second case, ABCD is your string again, right? ABCD is your string. So if you do so, let's see, right? So this is your 0th index, this is your index 1, 2 and 3, right? So if you, so there is no way you can bring this d at the index 0. Do you agree or not? You will never be able to bring this to index 0 because these are odd indexes. 1 and 3 you can swap, 0 and 2 you can swap, so d you can never bring it to index 0. Okay, so in that case you will return false basically, correct? This is another example where you have LOPQ, right? So LOPQ is your string. So we are looking at the third example now, right? So here you can do the swapping between these two and between these two as well. So let's say I swap L and P, right? If I swap L and P, the P will come here and L will go here, correct? And O and Q, if I swap, then Q will come here and O will go here. That is my resultant string PQLO, right? PQLO. It means that the swapping uh, can help me making those two strings equal, so I will return true. So this is what the problem statement says basically. So now you understood this problem clearly with these three different examples. So how can we solve this problem? So we have seen some facts here that the Swapping will be only possible for even indexes and odd indexes, right? So let's again take the same example, 0 ABCD, right? So 0 index and these are even indexes, right? So I can make a swapping here. So let's say I gather all these characters A and C, right? I put it in an array, so my array will have A and C here, right? So what I did, I am using even indexes, and for odd indexes also I created another array here. For B and D I have another array here, right? So B and D is my another array. So I got this from this string, right? Similarly, what I will do is I will take this string s2 and also get its even and odd indexes. So even indexes is C and A there, right? So C and A are your even indexes. So in this string we are looking at it, C and A even indexes, D and B is your odd indexes, correct? So this is D and B is your odd indexes, right? So we got four arrays, right? So this is C. We got four arrays. If I sort all these arrays, right? If I sort all these arrays, then what I will get here? I'll get AC. Here I will still get BD. Here I will get AC after sorting, and here I will get BD after sorting, right? And if all these array becomes same, right? So all these array, like the even array is equal to this even array, and odd array is equal to the odd array, right, after sorting. So it means that actually I can make the two strings equal, basically, correct? So this is what approach we are going to implement. So we will create the arrays. For even indexes we will have two arrays, right? These are for even indexes, and for odd indexes we will have two arrays. We will sort them, and after sorting, if they are equal, then it means that you can actually make the string equal. So we are using the fact that they told us that it's always a four length string, and you can always do the swapping only for even indexes and for odd index, right? So we just use that fact actually to solve this problem. So I hope you understood this logic, how we can just simply do a sorting to make sure that the strings can be made equal. In this case, you will see that the even indexes will have A and C. So after sorting, it will be still A and C. Here, even indexes will have CD after sorting. So they will never be able to equal, right? Because you don't have AC characters there, correct? So you will return false. So this is how we can solve this problem. So we'll be just using simple sorting here. You can also solve this problem by using other techniques like pointers to pointers approach and all. So here I just wanted to show you a simple sorting technique that we can just apply and solve this problem. So can be equal is what we are implementing. Two strings s1 and s2 are given to us. This method returns as a boolean, right, true or false. So here we have taken string, first string, we got the even indexes in the character array, right? Character at 0 and character at 2. So even indexes, this is even 1, even 2, we have used the second string and get the even index characters, right? Similarly, here we are using a odd index character from string 1, and here we are using odd index characters from string 2, right? So these are four different arrays we have, two even arrays, two odd arrays. We are going to sort all of them. So even 1, even 2, odd 1, odd 2, we sorted all of them, and after that we are just using arrays equals method to check if these arrays, sorted arrays, are equal. So even arrays should be equal, right? So arrays dot equals even 1, even 2, and arrays dot equal odd 1, odd 2. So odd arrays should also be equal, and even arrays should also be equal after sorting is done. If that happens, then we will get the result true. If that happens, otherwise we will get the return false. We will just return the results, and that's pretty much it as the code goes. So let us run this code, make sure this code works correctly with the test cases. So I created test case here. So these are, you can create your own test cases as well. So you can see that we are getting correct answer. So we are now going to submit this code to the Leetcode. Make sure the code gets accepted by the Leetcode. And as you can see, the code is accepted. It is 97.92% faster than other submissions, which is pretty good and a neat solution using a sorting. So I just wanted to show you this clean approach where you can solve this problem 2839. Check if strings can be made equal with operations. another interesting question on Leetcode on the strings. So I hope you understood this sorting logic with these examples, and if you like this whiteboarding session and if these examples help you understand this problem clearly, then please give it a thumbs up to the video, give it a like to the video, subscribe to this channel. Subscriptions are very much useful and supportive for this channel. Share this video with all your friends, colleagues, so they will also learn about this channel. They will also watch and learn different techniques of programming to solve different problems. On this channel, there are more than 500 different solved coding problems for you available here. That includes all important varieties such as DFS, BFS, graphs, matrices, binary search trees, binary trees, problems related to monotonic stack, dynamic programming, memoization, recursion. So all these varieties are available in the playlist. So do check out the playlist. You will definitely enjoy those playlists and learn a lot from them as well. Keep learning, keep coding, and keep learning new things. And thanks for watching this video and have a great day ahead.